In order to transfer data from your old phone to POCO C85, what you need to do is you need to use the, let me actually try to find it, the MI Mover app over here. So this app is used in order to transfer data from your previous device that you used to your POCO C85. On your old phone, if it was like a Xiaomi, POCO or Redmi, most likely you do have the same app already installed. For anything else, you will need to download the app from the Play Store or App Store if you had an iPhone. So in this case, you can open the Play Store, of course, and then just search for MI Mover. So let me quickly type that. There we go. And as you can see, we have the MI Mover over here made by Xiaomi. So once you have it, just open it on your old phone. Then we need to select on our previous device that this is the old phone. And on our POCO C85, we want to select that this is a new phone. Over here, we need to choose what was our previous device. In my case, it was not Xiaomi, Redmi, or POCO, so I'm gonna select Android because this is just another Android. And we're gonna allow everything that the app asks us to grant access to. There we go. Now our phone generates this QR code in order to get the app on our older smartphone, but of course we were ahead and we already installed it, so we're just gonna tap on installed. Now over here the phone creates a hotspot, and we should be able to find the phone, our POCO C85, on our old smartphone. In case it's not working, what you can do is you can choose connect to the new device manually over here and over here, and you will find the instruction to connect to the hotspot on your old phone. In this case, I'm gonna try to connect without having to do so manually, and hopefully it's gonna work. And finally, once you connect, you should be able to choose what you want to transfer. And you can transfer most of the things like images, messages, contacts, audio and video files and documents, as well as third-party apps. You can also choose which apps you want to transfer. You can of course uncheck these things that you don't want to transfer. So in my case, I'm just going to transfer images only. Let's go ahead and choose next. Over here we need to select these two options and go ahead and choose send. And after some time, you should be able to transfer the data. Of course, the amount of time that is required depends on the amount of files that you want to transfer. But once it is done, we should see that we are all set, so we can tap on done in here and on our POCO C85. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.